CPAC Imaging Pro is the program for the professional studio. It is the first program that is designed for retouching pictures. Previously, we used to use the professional retoucher, which needed a lot of time to retouch each picture. But now, with this new program, everyone can do it in a moment. In the first step, we must open the picture file which we want to retouch. Then, we use the selection tool to paint on the areas which we want to retouch. And we use the Erase selection tool to deselect the areas which we do not want to retouch, such as eyes, mouth and nostrils. After that, choose the retouching style which you prefer. We can pick the preview by clicking on the Pick button and left-click on the area you want to preview. We can also adjust the skin size, smoothness and type. Then, when we are ready to adjust everything, we command it to proceed, and the picture will be automatically retouched. With this simple procedure, we will get a beautiful picture, which appears as though a professional retoucher has painted it for many hours with a brush. In the second step, we have the brush tool to edit light and shadow, for eyebrow retouching, and to reduce the contrast caused by the reflection of light on the face area, but which does not affect the skin texture. So, we will get a beautiful but still natural picture. We have the nose line tool to correct the reflection on the nose line or create a missing nose line. Just click on the tip of the nose, then move the cursor up to the top of the nose. Click again, and you will get the nose line. We can also make the highlight line in the same way. In addition to the retouching tool, we have the tool to fix old and corrupted pictures. The automatic face color adjustment tool, which just chooses the pre-selected color and will help you to fix the color of a picture taken without perfect light conditions, such as in fluorescent lighting. The Colorize brush to make the pictures more colorful. To colorize a black and white picture, we have a simple and effective function. We have the selection tools for the face, eyes, lips, hair, and clothing. When we click the Paint button, the program will automatically paint all the selected areas, including the background area. Especially on the face area, you will get the natural color tones. Then, you can still adjust the hue and saturation on each area as you wish. We also have the brush to fix some incomplete colorized areas. And we have the Colorize brush, which can color in any area with any color we wish. We also have the sepia toning tool, which can make a sepia color picture, and the desaturation tool to change a color picture to black and white. In the case of people wearing white clothing, we have the shadow highlight function to adjust the brightness of the face area only, without affecting the brightness on the white clothing. We also have the portrait warping tool to adjust the face structure. We have the warping tool to adjust specific areas, such as the edges of the mouth, to create a smile. The slimming tool. The mouth closing tool, with which you paint on the open mouth area and push the mouth closing button so the program will automatically close the mouth. There is also the soft filter, to create a picture that looks as though it was taken with a soft filter lens, but easier and more effective because you can adjust the softness. We can also retrieve sharpness in some areas by using the history button. For pictures that have dust and scratches or reflection dots, we can use the dust and scratch function to remove them all at once, thus saving time. For pictures with monochrome background, we can change the background easily. Just select the background and use the hair selection tool to paint the border between the hair and the background, including all the hair you wish to keep. The program will remove the old background and lets us choose a new background the brightness and color of which can be adjusted. We also have the clothes changing function, with which we can choose the type, size, color, and even flip the selected clothing in the picture. When we have finished retouching, we can send the picture to the photo set program to size the picture and set the required pattern. Photo set is the program which is used to set the size and pattern of the picture. We can make many sizes and patterns, such as ID card photo, passport photo, and you can make new patterns according to the printer paper size. We can adjust the border size and stamp the date or running number on the border, making it easier to retrieve the picture. We can also stamp the logo, zoom and crop, slightly rotate, correct the color brightness and sharpen up the picture. The functions in CPAC Imaging Pro have been designed to meet the real needs and requirements of the professional photographer. CPAC Imaging Pro is the tool to create high-quality pictures in a moment, convenient and user-friendly. CPAC Imaging Pro, the best program for the professional photographer.